how to fix PS5 crashing when playing specific games. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, in order to fix this, you will need to go into the settings, then select system. Here, choose system software and just click on system software update and settings. Update system software, update using the internet. Now once you've confirmed that you have the latest version of the software for PS5, we will go back and, for example, let's say that we're having issues with Genshin Impact. You want to press the options button on your controller and then you will check for update. Now once you have done this, again we will press on the options button and this time we will select restore license. Here we want to click on restore and this is just going to verify the integrity of the files. Okay, once we have done this as well, we will need to go into settings yet again, and this time we are going to go into screen and video. So go into screen and video, then you will scroll down until you see HDR and try turning this off if it crashes your games. See if that fixes the issue for you. If it still doesn't, the very last thing that you can do is to perform a reset. So here you will see reset options. And you have the option of resetting your console, but this is going to delete all of your data and sign you out, so make sure you know that. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.